Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make potato salad. I'm sure potato salad is one of the most popular foods all over the world, and it is very popular in Japan as well. And there are so many recipes, and the taste varies from household to household. And today I will use special technique, but I'll make it as carefully as possible. I hope you will enjoy my favorite potato salad. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll boil the potatoes. These potatoes are grown in Hokkaido. Before boiling them, I make a crosscut to the surface. This will make it easier to peel the skin later. Okay. Let's boil it. Once it boils, I turn down the heat to low and cook them gradually. We can cut the potatoes into pieces before boiling. However, if we boil them whole, we will be able to enjoy the fluffy texture and the rich flavor of the potatoes. 25 minutes later, the skin was peeled naturally. I'll check whether they are cooked using a bamboo skewer. Okay, I remove them from the pot. Okay, good. And then I peel off the skin as soon as possible. If you peel the potatoes while they are hot, it's easy to peel the skin. But it's very hot, please take care of burning. Okay, first I smash 2 potatoes with a fork well. The potato is called danshaku potato in Japan. It is my favorite potato. Once they are smashed, I add a pinch of salt. If we add salt to the potatoes while they are hot, the flavors are blended better. I switch to the spatula and mix it until it becomes smooth. Then I smash the remaining potatoes roughly. We can enjoy the different texture of the potato. Nice. And salt. I make the potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Okay, the potatoes have prepared. I cover it with a wet cloth to keep the moisture and let it cool. Then I'll prepare cucumber. It's grown in Miyazaki Prefecture. I add the salt and rub it with my hands. This makes the texture of it smoother. Good. Then I rinse it with the water. Okay. And slice it at same intervals. I move the knife same rhythm. Good. I add salt and distribute the salt to the cucumber. And let it stand for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the cucumber becomes tender and the water comes out. I'll squeeze it well. It is essential to remove the excess water to make delicious potato salad. The water dilutes the flavor. Nice. Next, onion. This onion is called shin tamanegi in Japan. Shin is written by like this, and the meaning is new. Shin tamanegi is a seasonal ingredient in spring. The feature of it is soft texture, sweet taste, and less pungency. I trim the both sides shortly and peel off the skin. Then I cut it into half, remove the core, and cut it into half again. I slice it very thinly. If the onion is cooled enough, the film of it doesn't hurt your eyes. Today, I use half of the onion. Okay, I transfer it to the bowl and sprinkle the salt. The purpose of the salt is to remove the water. I distribute the salt to the onion as well. Okay, I let it stand for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the onion becomes tender. Add the water to the bowl. If you don't like the spicy taste of the onion, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes in the water. I drain the sieve soon because shintamanegi is less pungency. And I remove the water carefully. Okay, good. Next, I'll boil the eggs. Before boiling, I'll pick a tiny hole to the rounder part of the egg. This helps to peel the shell easily and beautifully. Okay. Nice. I add the egg to the boiling water and cook them for 9 minutes. 9 minutes later, I transfer them to the cold water. Once they are cool, I peel off the shell. Nice, beautiful. I cut them into pieces. Okay, finally I add a little salt. Okay, next I'll prepare bacon. I cut it about 1 cm in intervals. It's okay to cut it roughly. Good. I loosen it. Nice. I add the bacon to the pan and add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Salty bacon will be a great addition in potato salad. Okay, turn on the heat and turn down to the low. I heat it gradually, not to burn. Stir fry the bacon over low heat until it becomes crispy. The fat comes out to the pan. I keep stir frying over low heat. Almost. The patience is important to make delicious and nice browned bacon. Okay, perfect. Finally, I'll make the sauce. This is 60 grams of mayonnaise and it's 5 grams of rice vinegar. I mix them well. And 5 grams of soy sauce. Mix again. Black pepper. And mix them well. Okay, the sauce is done. Let's finish potato salad. I add all ingredients to the potato. Okay, then I add the sauce. I distribute the sauce to all ingredients. Perfect. Potato salad is done. Let's arrange it. Today I'll place potato salad on the big plate. Nice. Egg. Add last black pepper. Okay, my favorite potato salad is done. The feature of my recipe is bringing out the pure flavor of the ingredients. Let's eat it. いただきます. The texture of potato is fluffy and smooth. and the onion and the cucumber are nice crunchy texture. It is so delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced Japanese popular homemade dish, potato salad. And I'm sure potato salad is popular in the world. If you like, please teach me your favorite recipe. And I hope you will enjoy my favorite potato salad. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.